This side, I am a multi-asset trader and a quant developer. It has been 5 years in the financial market. It has been a long time since I did not upload any video, but right now I am going to record a video for all of you. That lecture is 33. Who are the participant? Lecture is 33. Lecture 33. Guys, sorry for the delay. Videos since video is not coming, but right now I'm recording a video for you that you should watch it and like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay. Lecture 33. Who are the participant in currency market and factor affect currency market? Who are the participant participant who are the participant in currency market currency market and factor factor effect currency market. Guys, without wasting too much time, let's get started. As you know that who are the participant in currency market, like what is the forex means what? Currency market. Okay, this is the largest financial market in the world. Okay. Forex means what? Forex market. Okay, this is the largest financial market in the all over our world. This is the this is the this is the largest financial market in all over world. Main participant, like, uh, you can just think about it. Main participants are guys, I have to zoom it. Wait. The Okay. Main participants are like central banks and governments. First one is central bank and governments. Central banks and government. Guys, you know what they do in the market, in the financial market? They control monetary policy and intervene to stabilize their currency. They control they control monetary policy monetary policy and intervene intervene to stabilize their currency. Guys, no one country can think that their currency should be weak. Okay, that's why they intervene time to time. Okay. Second one is commercial banks and investment banks. commercial banks and commercial bank and investment bank, investment banks. what they what they do, what they do they act major dealers of currency. Okay, they act they act major dealers of currency. Guys, if you go in the bank, just ask to them that guy, sir, I need a dollar, I need this currency, I need that currency, they will exchange. Okay, according to that Indian currency, what whatever INR will be there. And second one is provide liquidity and facilitate transaction for clients. Provide provide liquidity liquidity and provide liquidity and facilitate transaction for for clients. Guys, if you are watching this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And okay, and third one is corporations like importer exporter. You can say importer and exporter. What they do, importer exporter, what they do, they need foreign currency to trade. Okay, they need foreign currency to trade. They need foreign currency foreign currency to trade and hedging against rate risk. Okay, fourth one is hedge fund and investment managers. hedge fund hedge fund and investment investment manager. What they do, guys, hedge hedge fund and investment manager trade large amount of speculation and portfolio management. Trade large amount of large amount of speculation or portfolio hedging. portfolio hedging. Okay, and fifth one is retail traders and investors. Retail trader and investor. What they do, they do trade buy sell company, hold company. And investor, what they do, they invest in the company. Okay. And what is sixth one is broker. Okay, broker. Who is broker? Broker means a person who is the middleman of client and exchange. Okay, who provides platform. Broker means middleman. Middleman. Okay, this is, guys, these are the sixth participant are daily available in the currency market. Okay, and what is the my second topic? Factor affecting of currency market. Factor affecting factor affecting currency market. Currency market. Guys, it could be economic factor, it could be political factor, it could be market sentiment, it could be external factor, it could be anything. Okay, but I'm going to write down one by one. First one is economic factor. Economic factor. Under this economic factors comes like interest rate. interest rate Interest rate. Okay, inflation. Inflation. gdp growth. gdp growth. That's it, up to over here only. Second one is political factor. Political factor. Under this section comes like government stability and policies. Government stability and policies. Government stability. Government stability and policies. Okay, and second one is geopolitical events. Geopolitical events. Okay, and third one is market sentiment. This market sentiment also affect to the currency market, guys. Market sentiment. Market sentiment. Market sentiment like speculation, risk appetite. ठीक है, speculation. Speculation, risk appetite. Risk appetite. Market sentiment. And external factor could be trade balance. Fourth one is external factor. External factor. Trade balance. Trade balance. Okay, trade balance like import, export, surplus. Okay, and second one is FDI, FII. FDI, FDI, FII. Foreign direct investment and foreign. What is the full form of that? FII, Foreign Institute. Sorry, FII. Guys, wait a second. I have to check. FII. foreign institutional investor, institutional investor, okay. And third one is commodity price. Third one is commodity price. In this last step, I'm saying commodity price, guys. Commodity price means stock market, currency market, and commodity market, and all the market which are available in our country. They are linked to each other. If anything happen in the any market, it could be affect another also, rest of the market also, okay. Okay guys, this is up to here only. If you are watching this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment, okay. That's it.